Club Pilates offers reformer-based group Pilates classes and personalized private sessions in an intimate studio setting. The benefits of the full-body, low-impact training extend far outside of the studio into your day-to-day life. Strength, flexibility, balance. With a wide variety of classes and levels, Club Pilates is truly for everyone. Start your Club Pilates experience with a free intro class today. This complimentary 30-minute session will introduce you to our state-of-the-art equipment, including the Pilates Reformer, TRX suspension trainer, Bosu ball, bar, Exo chair, and more. New to Pilates? Don't worry, you'll be guided by a Club Pilates instructor who has over 500 hours of comprehensive Pilates training to safely get the most out of your workout. You'll also tour the studio, meet our amazing staff, and learn how your workout at Club Pilates will build a stronger, more flexible body. You'll feel the passion we have for helping you get the most out of your day and ultimately your life. Find your neighborhood Club Pilates location at clubpilates.com and book your free intro class today.